महका है ये गुलशन साई के आने से हर्षित है हर मन। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Ram Krishna Hari Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari.
Here is Bhagwan who can do anything, who can literally put Muddenhalli on the world map. Here is our Lord who can put Gulbarga, Mandya, Mudhol, Jaipura. This is just to name a few, many more in the pipeline. And we are having more and more super specialty hospitals coming up. Where was Muddenhalli 2 years back? Did we hear about Muddenhalli at all? Yesterday someone called me from Australia and they asked me, can you please tell me what is happening in Muddenhalli?
I will simply say how historic this moment is in time. As we glance at what we cannot see, and as we believe or try to believe, one thing can be assured. Two of the most pressing questions in man's existence since the beginning of time has been answered through this phenomenon. Two things that should give you extraordinary peace, something that can change your lives, and something that you must know as it is said at this moment. Those two questions, which the Divine Master has answered, one, is there life after death? He has proven this to be in our midst, and as you know, those that believe and know must now understand, yes, there is nothing to be afraid of. This is just part of a journey.
Now, singling out one individual in a millennia is Swami's speciality. Because, thank you, for him never existed. Everybody, every single soul was a reflection, a manifestation of himself. So I was not surprised when he asked, and I'm not so sure if anybody else in that room, 8 or 10 of them, knew why he had asked about that one particular individual not being there in that millennia. And then in the feeble tone that he was in those days, he said, he should have come. He should have come and seen what has been done and wait to see what will be done. I still remember those words, which I'm still not sure if Shashidhar Prasad and others had heard that. See what has been done and wait to see what will be done.
What is this inexpressible? Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. Vedas declared, the mind cannot comprehend God, neither the words express what is God. Therefore, the inexpressible is God. We have here both silence and music. I stop speaking for a moment. Silence pervades. In spite of more than 10,000 people sitting here,
గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్కి పోవాలంటే ఒకేసారి పోవడానికి సాధ్యం కాదు.
from ground floor to third floor, you can't jump all at
చాలా
once.
మంది ఏదో ఒక ముక్కు మూసి మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తే మేము సాక్షాత్కారం వైపు ప్రయత్నిస్తూ ఉంటారు.
Many people try to do meditation. They close their eyes and also nose. They think that they can realize God.
కాదు కాదు, అది సాధ్యమే కాదు.
That is never possible.
ఐ నుంచి వీకి పోయి వి నుంచే హీకి పోవాలా.
From I, you have to go to V, and from V,
అదే
you have to
గ్రౌండ్
go
ఫ్లోర్
to
నుంచి
He.
ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్.
From ground floor, you have to go to first floor,
గ్రౌండ్
first floor
ఫ్లోర్
to
నుంచి
second floor.
గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ పోవాలనుకుంటే గెంతితే కాలు విరుగుతుంది కానీ చేరవు.
If you jump from ground floor to first floor, you will break your legs. You will not go. I'm not going to reach the destination.
క్రమక్రమేణ మీరు ఐ నుంచి వి నుంచి హీకి వెళ్ళిపోండి.
Therefore, gradually, you have to move from I to V and from V to He.
ఇదంతా మీకు తెలుసు, చెప్పింది కొత్తది ఏమీ లేదు.
All this is nothing new for you. Everything is the old teaching.
మరి ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎందుకు చేయటం లేదు?
Why are you not practicing?
ఎందుకంటే భయం ఉన్నది మీకు.
Because you have fear.
బ్రతుకు భయం.
The fear of life.
ఏమైపోతాను, నాది ఏమైపోతుంది, కుటుంబం ఏమైపోతుంది, ఆ భయం ఉంది నీకు.
What will happen to me? What will happen to my family? That kind
ఆ
of
ఫియర్
fear.
ఉండే వల్లనే నువ్వు ఇది చేయలేకపోతున్నావు.
Because of this fear, you are not able to practice it.
నిజంగా భగవంతుడే నన్ను చూసుకుంటున్నాడు, కాపాడుతున్నాడు, రక్షిస్తున్నాడు అనే భావం ఉంటే ఆ భయం ఉండదు.
If you truly have the feeling that God is looking after me, He is safeguarding my interests, you will not have any fear.
ఇభవక్త్ర సుచరిత్ర
విమల గుణగాత్ర
ఉరగవర కటి సూత్ర
హరి కరుణ పాత్ర
ఇభవక్త్ర సుచరిత్ర
విమల గుణగాత్ర
ఉరగవర కటి సూత్ర
హరి కరుణ పాత్ర
అచల వరదయిత సుత
శశిగర్భహరణ అనవరత మమ విబుధ గణ వినుత చరణ విబుధ గణ వినుత చరణ విబుధ గణ వినుత చరణ.
शिवं शङ्करं शशिधरं भवहरं